Hey everyone, my name is Mike. I'm with CryptoTaxed. In today's video, I'm going to give you a little technical analysis on Bitcoin and this bear market we've been in, and just kind of where I think we're going to be going in the future. So with that, let's go ahead and get the disclaimer out of the way. Any information provided in these videos is for informational purposes only. It should not be considered legal or financial advice. You should consult your own financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Alright, you guys, with that out of the way, on this channel we like doing technical analysis, news, and we do a basic beginner's course as far as getting into cryptocurrencies, how to buy, how to go through stuff like that. So if you find our videos helpful and you like what we're doing, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. Anytime we put new videos up, you'll be aware of it. Plus, smash that like button. It really helps our channel to grow. Now, with this, I wanted to go over the current bear market we're in with Bitcoin. So here I'm on TradingView, and as you can see, we at one time were, $19,000, $20,000 is a high, and ever since then it's just, we slowly just come down. And what I've put on here is basically it's a descending triangle is what we're showing. So this was the low before we took off. And as you can see, this is like our point of resistance. So it comes down, tests it, it takes off. Comes down, tests it, takes off. And then we touched it right there where I put that dot and test it. And so basically what we're doing is we're trading in this channel. So we're going to constantly come down, test the resistance, and then we're going to come up here and test this point here. And what I wanted to show you guys is this is not the first time this has happened. The other big bear market that we were in that we've seen before was back here in 2013. And if you've been in it long enough, you'll remember this because it's a lot of the same sentiment that's going on now, just with a lot less user base. Is right here in October, we started this massive bull market. And as you can tell, it looked a lot like what happened in 2017. Once we hit our peaks, we came crashing down, setting new highs. And of course, as you can tell, we made a new descending triangle. Now, what happened back then is kind of what I feel personally is going to happen again. Is we're going to trade horizontal for a while. In fact, this one started in April of 15, and it went through somewhere around September of 15. So you're talking, 6 to 7 months of just horizontal trading. I mean, we did have this one blip, but that's exactly what it was, just a blip. I mean, you can actually go as far back as to here, January to September. So a solid 9, if you count October, 10 months, where the median would have been around $239, and we were just up around it, just trading constantly right around it. Never could seem to break through the resistance on those levels. So as you can see, once we got out of this descending triangle, stuff started changing. We traded horizontal, but then right around October of 15, that's when we officially began this bull market. And I'm just going to pan over slowly so you can see what happened. So if you weren't in the markets, you might not have known this, but this is what it looked like. A very exciting time until you get to right here, and this is 2017. So as you can see, in 2017, we started out at roughly, we'll go all the way back to kind of where it was. So you're talking $1,200, $1,000, all the way up to $20,000. And if you're new to the world of crypto, it's a moonshot. That's what we call it here. And of course, now we're in this bear market. As you can see, I put this triangle back to show you we still are in this channel. We got until probably in November, sometime around November. That's when I would expect us to break through, and then we're going to discover whether we're going to keep going or we're going to go, on the bear market pulling back. But I really don't think the bears have that much power. We have been constantly testing this resistance right here. It's just constantly hitting it and bouncing back. but then again, we haven't broken through yet. So with that, you guys, I just want to say, if you're still in it, hold on. Now it is very exciting because it's going to go one way or the other. And as you've seen in history, if history is anything to show, that normally we'll go in this horizontal pattern where, there's not a lot of movement. It's, we're going to be hovering, now that we're in the $1,000 range, it'll be about $1,000 swing, $6,000, $7,000, and we'll be just constantly just back and forth, just trading horizontal until we break out of this. Once we break out of this, if we break out on the up, we could very easily go back on another bull run. Now, I don't want to make predictions on where I think it'll go once we break out of that, but here's the triangle again. This is just a little more zoomed in so you can see it. But we're within a month or two, guys, of something very impressive happening. Hopefully, so it's a bull market, and that's how I kind of feel how it goes. If you are trading more short term, let me go ahead and add some different stuff up here for you. I believe in the MACD. I use it a lot. I know a lot of people use some other stuff. The Stochastics is the other one, Stochastic RSI. I'll go ahead and put that one up there for you guys. So here's the MACD, kind of where we're trading right now. And as you can see, we had a very important cross right there, and you can see the market shot up with it. When it went down, blue line obviously went below, and we're kind of in that horizontal pattern right now. So I expect it to stay right here. On the Stochastic RSI, we've finally dropped below the 80%, so we're coming down. So when you're down here is what they consider good buying opportunity. When it's up here, it's a little overdrawn, or it's been out there too long. You can stay up here for lengths of time, for weeks or whatever, but the longer it's up here, the more risk you take. So for example, right here, you can see that we're above 80%, and up here on the graph is right when we started that little, I guess, rally that we were in. And as you can see, it stayed up here and maintained, but once it loses it, it comes crashing down. So for healthy, you want to stay in this zone of health. If you ever see it down here, it's a really good time to buy them. So just a little things I just wanted to show you about these markets that we're in right now. So in upcoming videos, we'll get more precise. We'll break it down even more. We'll go over some more coins. If there's something you would like to know as far as candlesticks, chart reading, please send me a comment. If there's something you would like us to look at, send a comment. Just let us know what you think the market's going to do. Do you think we're getting ready to break out of this bear market, go on a bull run? And where do you think the price will be in the next, say, 2-3 months? Just let me know your comments down below, guys. And again, if you like this, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button. And with that, we'll see you next time.